This protocol is significant because it enables users to develop customizable multi-taper spectrograms without prior signal processing knowledge. The main technical advantage of the program is the program's user-friendly design and the ability to create multi-taper spectrograms using computers without MATLAB licensing.
Seven to 10 days after the electrode implantation surgery, configure the data acquisition system to record all of the signals in millivolts and obtain EEG recordings for the desired experimental duration. Amplify and digitize the unfiltered EEG signals using the appropriate data acquisition instrumentation and software. Then have two different individuals independently score each 10-second bin of the digital EEG, blue trace, and EMG, black trace, recordings as wakefulness, REM sleep, or non-REM sleep in an appropriate sleep scoring software program. Download the compiled Multitaper spectrogram program. For spectrogram computation, obtain raw, unprocessed EEG data in either EDF or CSV file format and place the file into the same location as the compiled program file and launch the spectrogram program. Follow the pop-up prompts and select the appropriate file format. Enter the entire EEG file name and select the parameters for the spectrogram calculation. Enter titles for both the spectrogram and EEG. Then, click File and Save to save the resulting spectrogram and EEG trace in the desired file format.